Right, this is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs lost again to Sundowns, MTN 8, second half, second leg, MTN 8. How do you feel, my brother, about the game?
I feel so bad, brother.
Yeah.
I don't know why the coach always keep on using the same pattern. We need, since Kaizer Chiefs play, we don't play 4-3-3.
Yeah.
And Peterson must go out. We don't know why we have to keep always Peterson on the post.
Yeah.
Peterson must go. Ntseki must change all those patterns, and even then Ntseki must go. We don't want him anymore because always we pay for Chiefs to come and look at the game, but we always get disappointed.
Yeah.
And Ntseki must go. Peterson must go away. Yes, on Wednesday, Kuna was right on the pole.
Okay.
But why do they chase him away?
Tell me, what do you think about your strikers? Because they are also to be blamed if they don't score goals.
No, the strikers, they don't have a problem. The problem is the pattern. We can't play 4-3-3. We need to play 4-5-1. Gonzalez is fine, but we need he is fine. He is fine.
But 4-5-1, now you're going to overload your midfield, and then you don't have someone to score. And then you find that Dupreez is alone there. Who is he going to give?
He can score goals. Gonzalez can score goals.
Okay, no, thank you very much.
Gonzalez must go away.
Hey,